Hello everyone and happy Sunday. Today is May 2nd and my name is Barb Reed. I'm the Wexford Stamper and I'm here today to share with you a brand new product kit that I've come up with, and I'm super excited to share it with you. And what is very exciting about it is that it uses product from our brand new catalog that is launching on May 4th. So it's very new product and it has some wonderfully new projects that I'm so excited to show you. So let's go ahead and get started. This is the flyer that I put together, and I have had this on my Facebook groups and on my blog for maybe a week now, but I want to explain a little more about what the project kit involves. All right, let's start with talking a little bit about the products that I'm going to be using. We're going to be using a new suite in the new catalog called the Pansy Petals Suite. And this is the stamp set that goes with that. Beautiful, beautiful little pansies. And some of the pansies are 2 or 3 step stamping, but because they are photopolymer, you can do it very easily. And there is also some super cute sentiments that can cover a lot of different occasions. As always, there are a set of coordinating dies. And what I love about these dies, not only do they cut out your stamped images, but they can also cut out images from the designer series paper. And that is such a neat option that Stampin' Up! Has just recently started. All right, let's go ahead and show you the projects that you'll be able to make. Let's start with the cards. I've found 3 of my favorite Fun Fold cards, and we're going to be making these in the kit. Now, please remember that you're going to get enough to make 2 of each of these cards. This is a Fun Fold card that opens like that. It's a thank you card. We use some beautiful paper from the DSP, and then these are the cutout using the dies and just using plain cardstock for those. So that's another way that you can make your pansies. You can make them out of cardstock using the dies, you can stamp and cut them out using the dies, or you can just cut them using the dies right out of the paper. That's what's so awesome about this set. And here is a little bee trinket. Love those. And those are going to be available in the kit as well. Okay, and when it's opened up, you have your thank you at the top and just a little space here at the bottom to do some writing. I will be sending along with the product, as always, a PDF with all the directions and a video tutorial. So don't worry, I will help you through the whole process. All right, that's my first card. This is a fold out card that I love. This one I used a lot of the pretty paper, and I made my pansy using just the cardstock. All right, I'm going to open it up here where my ribbon is and watch what happens here. It's going to fold open, and it really shows off the gorgeous paper that comes with this suite. All right, so that is the second. I guess I call this my fold out card. You're going to have enough materials to make 2 of these as well. All right, the last card is a clear card, and these are something that I've just kind of jumped on the bandwagon and really love making these. Now this one, you can see I will make sure that you get enough to make 2 of these clear cards. So you will get 2 clear card bases. And now this one, I cut out the pansy using the dies here, and then I cut out the leaves just out of cardstock. All right, some of the new card colors, the in colors are used on a lot of these cards as well as the gorgeous paper. And then I open this up and then you have your space for your happy birthday on the inside. So I will be giving you enough to make 2 of each of these cards. So that is 6 cards. Then the last thing, you know I wouldn't be able to do a kit without a 3D item. And this is a cute little box that holds a Hershey bar. Okay, and what I used here is some of the gorgeous Designer Series paper. I cut the pansy out of the Designer Series paper, and then I did the leaves using the die cuts. So that is the 4th project. All right, so let me bring them in again. So in your kit, you'll get enough to make 2 of each of these cards that we talked about and 1 of the Hershey bars. Okay, you're probably wondering, well, what do I get and how much does it cost? All right, let me show you that. What you will get in your kit if you order the first option. You will get a half a pack of the Pansy Petals Designer Series paper. What I do is I get a big pack of 12 by 12 and I just cut it in half, give half to one customer, half to the other. So you're going to get 1 piece that is 6 by 12 of every sheet in the pack. All right, not only will you get that, you will get a pack of the Bumblebee trinkets. Yes, you will. These are adorable. You will love these. They go on very easy with a glue dot, and you can put them on all of your cards and projects. All right, and also coming with that, you will get a full roll of the Fresh Freesia open weave ribbon. Now, Fresh Freesia is one of the new in colors, and it is pretty. It's like a light purple. You're going to love it. Matches all the projects with the pansies. So you will get a full pack of this new ribbon. All right, and lastly, we will give you a pack of the Genial Gems. And if you notice here on my Hershey bar, I use some of the Genial Gems right there. Now you can use them on all your projects if you like, because they are really, really adorable and they coordinate with all of the projects. All right, not only will you get these products in your kit, you will also get all of the cardstock and die cuts that you need to make all our projects. Remember I said 6 cards and 1 Hershey bar box. So if you are interested in that kit, which also includes the PDF and the video tutorials on YouTube, that will cost you $30. Okay, if you would like option 2, you would add the Pansy Patch photopolymer stamp set and the coordinating dies. Okay, that together is option 2, and that is $85. Please note that with your kit, if you just get option 1, none of the stamping will be done for you. So if you opt for number 1, you'll need to use your own stamps for the sentiments. Okay, so those are your options you have. You have option 1 for $30. Option 2 is everything here on the screen, and that is $85. If you have any questions or would like to order the kit, please message me, or you can email me at blreed@comcast.net. So I'm anxious to hear from you. I'm going to keep the orders open until the 10th of May, and then I'm going to send in my order so that I can assemble the kits and get them to you as soon as possible. So I hope you're as excited as I am about this kit. You are going to love the pansies in this kit. What a great way to start off some spring stamping. Alrighty, take care, and I hope to hear from you really soon. Bye now.